So we can see that now the rate of return is 4%. The net present value, this one is calculated by, you can see this present value of ordinary annuity. So that would be, you are using the discount rate, okay? The PV discount rate. So that's the PV, present value of the ordinary annuity. And then the rate you are using is the discount rate, NPER, that's the N, number of the periods, 5. And the payment, right? In this case, it's not payment, it's the cash you received. So therefore, I put a negative there. So negative 25,000. That means it's the opposite of payment, right? You received it. And then you have to consider the current investment of $100,000, right? That's the cash outflow. So now you can see if the discount rate is 4%, I have a positive net present value, okay? So the traditional approach would be called a trial and error, right? So they will say you trial and error. So basically, okay, you think about, okay, so if this is 4%, it's more than 0. So if I increase it to be 5%, okay, so which rate can make this net present value to be 0, right? 5%? No. What about 6%? No. How about 7%? Getting closer. 8%? 8% is negative. So it should be less than 8%. So maybe it's 7.9. Okay, so 7.9 is positive. Maybe 7.95. Maybe 7.4945. Okay, 3.5 then. So you just keep, plugging in different numbers. So then until it's getting closer to 0, right? So now it's pretty close to 0, right? You can see if my discount rate is 7.934%, this net present value is almost it's below 0. So what would be an easy way to do this, okay? So we want this cell net present value to be 0, and we want to change that discount rate. So let's take a look at how to use goal-seek analysis to do this calculation. So you click data, okay, and the data, you move to what-if analysis, and then you click what-if analysis is goal-seek, okay? So a menu popped up. First, it said set cell. So which is your cell has the goal? Well, this is my goal, right? I set this cell to be, I want it to be 0 by changing this cell, okay? So now let me click OK, see what happened. You see? So the software calculates automatically for you. So when discount rate is 7.931, you have a net present value equals 0. So therefore, I know my internal rate of return for this project is 7.931%. Okay, so I hope you find this helpful.